It was a typical Monday morning in the marketing department of a bustling corporation in Kingston, Jamaica. 7 office girls, all with beautiful, curly afro hair, gathered around the break room, sipping their morning coffee. Moy, with her vibrant pink hair clips, was the first to break the silence. "Me dear, you know dat boss man is looking fi increase the productivity today. Him say we gotta finish the challenge by the end of the week." Sawney, with her signature bold lipstick, chuckled and replied, "Oh Lord Ave mercy. Him go Bex with us all if we don't move with speed. But dem go get it done, 'cause we Jamaicans know how fi work." Trina, with her bright smile, chimed in, "Yup, and me know fi put in the extra effort. Him go give us a bonus fi dem extra hours. Ain't dat right, Orlean?" Orlean, with her stunning gold necklace, nodded in agreement. "Yeah, me dear, dem go make sure we get the recognition we deserve." Carrie, with her funky scarf, laughed and said, "Girl, you know the boss man is all about dat dollar. Him go find a way fi make us work extra hours, but we go get it done, 'cause we Jamaican gals are made of resilient stuff." Michelle, with her sleek, black hair, chimed in, "And me know how fi keep the team spirits up. We'll have a little break time jam session to get us energized for the day ahead." Nikki, with her bright, colorful earrings, grinned mischievously. "Yup, and me know fi bring some extra jerk chicken fi the break room today. It'll give us the energy we need fi tackle dat deadline." As they chatted and laughed, the office phone started ringing, signaling the start of another busy day in the marketing department. The 7 office girls, each with their own unique personality, but united by their Jamaican personal essence, were ready to face whatever challenges lay ahead, with their afro curls bouncing with confidence. As they settled in at their desks, Trina turned to the group and said, "All right, girls, let's get to work. We gotta make Dad Bossman proud and show him the Jamaican flair we bring to the table." With a chorus of laughter and a shared determination, the 7 office girls dove into their work, their afro curls dancing in rhythm with their busy typing fingers, and their smiles radiating the warmth and hospitality of Jamaica.